Hello and welcome to the Digital Fox WordPress Quick Tip, and in this video what I'm going to show you is how you can manage your comments with success and with confidence. Now there's a lot of people out there that are trying to trick the system, and they've created these bots that will go out and automatically submit a ton of comments all over the web, and of course they're all spam and they really bug everybody, and they pretty much need to go to commenting hell. Okay, and what we're here to talk to you today is about how you can install this plugin that one is going to really remove almost all of that spam commenting, but most importantly it's going to give you a lot of great features and a lot of control over your website, and it works really well. And most importantly, people can sign in and leave comments through their social media logins like Facebook or Twitter and a couple other different options that are out there. It embeds right into your site. It installs quickly, it's quick and fast, and I really like it. So what I want to do is just jump right in and show you about it, because once I put it in, I was a little wary about it, but I ran it for a while, and you know what, it works great, and I would highly recommend putting it on your site, especially if you don't require people to register with your site. Because otherwise you'd have to kind of turn off commenting to avoid the spam. So this allows you to really add a level of security and control to your comments. So let's go over here to comments, and right over here we have, it's called DISQUS, and there's another one out there, I think it's called internal debate or instant debate or something like that. But this is the one that I like. It seems to work well for me. It's the one I've installed, and as you can see right here, as soon as you log in, you have access to all of your comments on your site, and you can read. You can click on them. You can read more. You can approve it. You can mark it as spam. You can delete it. I can actually reply right here. So it gives me some great control to be able to kind of comment and go back and forth. There's some other features where you can control the different layout, kind of show what website it's on and where it goes. I can search them. I can show the ones that have not been approved yet. So I can do a bunch of different things and different controls here. So now what we can do is come up here into settings. And there's a lot of different features in here, like I can set my moderators if I want to have more than one person. I can pre-moderate. I can just let it go live. I can add people to a blacklist or a whitelist depending on maybe their domain name or email address, which is great. I can get in here and I can customize it. Gives me an example of what the layout's going to look out down here, and I can play around with any of these features right here and just do a fresh. So here, I'll show you one real quick. Let's say I want to do ginormous images. I can do a refresh, and boom, it's going to show the images nice and big there, and then I can click save. Okay, there's other things over here under general where you can kind of play around with. You can add, this is where I talked about, you can display login buttons for Facebook or Twitter or OpenID or Yahoo, which is great. And you can look up here in the top right hand corner and it shows you what it's going to look like. Now again, this is useful because everybody uses Facebook and a lot of people use Twitter. So if they just want to log in real quick and leave a comment, they can do that, and it adds a level of security, and it really stops the spam bots from coming in and posting a ton of comments. You can also create a Facebook Connect with an IP key, and what this will do is this will allow people to automatically post directly on to Facebook and to submit their articles or their comments right onto their site. So you definitely want to put that in. You can also post trackbacks. You can add an AskMet if you want to. You can do redirects. You can do any of that. You can decide who can comment, anyone or registered only, which is fine, and then you have some basic descriptions down here. Now you will need to create an account with these guys, and as soon as you log in with this this plugin, that they ask you to create an account, and you want to create the account because it allows you to back up all of your comments. It puts them over in another spot. And you can import and export, which you can see right here. So if I want to move the site or go over to somewhere else or go to intense debate, or if I'm moving from intense debate over, I can export that all in, or I can export it in from WordPress. So it really, I think that this is definitely the way to go when it comes to commenting software. because it really gives you a lot of tools. It takes the normal WordPress commenting to the next level, and that's what I would highly recommend. So thank you guys very much for visiting me here at this WordPress quick tip. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please take a moment and use the comment box down below. I'm trying to build a community where we can kind of conversate back and forth and help each other. So if you have any questions or if you're having any problems with it, put that down there as well. I also have a live chat box down in the bottom corner. If I'm online, you will see that you will see that chat box up. So click on it and you can chat with me live if you have a real quick question. Thank you guys very much. Please help me to continue to share these WordPress quick tip videos with all of your friends and family, and use the Facebook and the Twitter button that are up there, and share this with everybody you know so that we can get them in here as well. So thank you guys very much, and I look forward to seeing you online soon.